Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, identify this tube. What is this tube? This is red color. Actually this is red. This is red rubber tube. This is red rubber tube. This is non-self retaining tube. And if you see the tip is rounded and there is blunt tip. And what is the use? It is used to temporarily drain the urine. It is used to temporarily drain the urine from bladder. So this is about the red rubber tube. Thank you.
Thank you and thank you for watching.